In the quiet corners of your mind, there lies a universe waiting to be explored. A universe brimming with endless possibilities, where your deepest desires can blossom into reality. It's a place where thoughts aren't just fleeting whispers, but the very architects of your life. Today, we unlock the door to this extraordinary realm, where you'll discover the awe-inspiring power to shape your world with the sheer force of your mind. So let's get ready to witness the magic of manifestation unfold before your very eyes. At the heart of this extraordinary journey lies a profound truth. Your thoughts are not mere abstractions, but the very blueprints of your existence. Like a master artist, your mind paints the canvas of your life with every stroke of thought, every flicker of belief. What you focus on expands, what you nurture flourishes, and what you envision becomes your reality. This is not about wishful thinking or passive hoping. It's about conscious creation. It's about understanding that you are not a passive observer in the theater of life, but the director, the playwright, and the lead actor all at once. You possess the power to script your story, to design your set, and to bring your dreams to life on the grand stage of the universe. We often underestimate the potency of our thoughts, dismissing them as fleeting and inconsequential. But in truth, they are the architects of our experiences, the sculptors of our circumstances. Every thought you entertain, every belief you hold, shapes the world around you, attracting experiences and opportunities that resonate with your inner landscape. Think of your mind as a magnificent garden. The seeds you plant, your thoughts and beliefs, will determine what grows. If you sow seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation, you'll reap a harvest of struggle and frustration. But if you cultivate seeds of confidence, abundance, and possibility, your life will blossom with joy and fulfillment. The key to unlocking this creative power lies in understanding the profound connection between your inner world and your outer reality. Your thoughts are not isolated events. They are energetic vibrations that ripple out into the universe, attracting experiences that match their frequency. Like attracts like. If you focus on lack and scarcity, you'll find yourself surrounded by circumstances that reinforce those beliefs. But if you cultivate an attitude of gratitude and abundance, you'll open the floodgates to a world of opportunities and blessings. This is the essence of manifestation, the deliberate act of aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your deepest desires. It's about becoming a conscious co-creator with the universe, harnessing the power of your mind to bring your dreams into tangible existence. The beauty of this process is that it's not reserved for a select few. It's available to everyone. You don't need to be a spiritual guru or a master of meditation. All you need is the willingness to explore the limitless potential within you, to tap into the wellspring of creativity that resides at your core. As we journey together, we'll uncover the simple yet profound techniques that will empower you to harness this creative force. We'll explore the art of visualization, the power of affirmations, and the importance of aligning your emotions with your desires. We'll look into the subtle nuances of belief and the profound power of gratitude. But most importantly, we'll discover the joy and wonder of co-creating your reality, of witnessing your dreams take flight and soar into the boundless sky of possibility. Now, let's address some common misconceptions that might cloud your understanding of manifestation. It's not about sitting back and passively wishing for things to materialize out of thin air. It's not a magic wand that grants you instant gratification without any effort. Manifestation is an active process, a dance between your inner world and the outer reality. It's about making conscious choices, setting clear intentions, and taking inspired action. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility, even in the face of challenges. And it's about recognizing that you are not a victim of circumstance, but a powerful creator with the ability to shape your destiny. Another misconception is that manifestation is reserved for the spiritually enlightened or those with special gifts. This couldn't be further from the truth. The power to manifest resides within each and every one of us. It's an innate ability, a birthright that we can tap into at any moment. You don't need to meditate for hours on end or chant ancient mantras. You don't need to renounce the world or live in seclusion. All you need is the willingness to explore your own potential, to awaken the dormant power that lies within. Now, let's talk about the incredible role of imagination in the manifestation process. Your imagination is a gateway to infinite possibilities, a portal to the realm of creation. It allows you to transcend the limitations of the physical world and step into the boundless expanse of your mind. When you imagine something, you're not just daydreaming, you're creating a powerful energetic blueprint for its manifestation. The more vivid and detailed your imagination, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil. The clearer the image, the more likely it is to sprout and grow. But imagination is not just about visuals. It's about engaging all your senses. Feel the texture of your desires. Taste the sweetness of success. Hear the sounds of celebration. The more emotionally charged your imagination, the more potent its impact on your reality. Think of your favorite movie or a captivating story. The reason they resonate so deeply is that they transport you to another world, allowing you to experience a range of emotions. The same principle applies to manifestation. The more you can immerse yourself in the feeling of having what you desire, the faster it will materialize in your life. Now, let's explore the heart of manifestation, the profound connection between your emotions and your reality. It's not enough to merely think about what you desire. You must also feel it as if it's already yours. Your emotions are the driving force behind manifestation, the fuel that propels your dreams into existence. Imagine the difference between simply thinking about your dream job and actually experiencing the excitement and fulfillment of having it. The latter generates a powerful emotional vibration that resonates with the universe, attracting opportunities and circumstances that align with your desire. Emotions are the language of the soul, the bridge between your inner world and the outer reality. When your thoughts and feelings are in harmony, you create a magnetic field that draws your desires towards you. It's like tuning into the right radio frequency. When your emotional state matches the frequency of your desires, you become a powerful receiver for their manifestation. Once you've set your intention and aligned your emotions, it's time to surrender to the flow of the universe. This is where the art of letting go comes into play. It's about releasing attachment to the outcome and trusting that the universe will orchestrate the perfect path for your desires to unfold. Trying to force or control the manifestation process is like trying to steer a river. It creates resistance and blocks the natural flow of abundance. Instead, cultivate a sense of detachment, knowing that the universe has your back. Trust that your desires are already on their way, and focus on enjoying the journey. Letting go doesn't mean giving up or becoming passive. It's about surrendering the need to micromanage every detail and allowing the universe to work its magic. It's about staying open to possibilities and accepting the unexpected detours that may lead you to even greater outcomes than you could have imagined. Gratitude is the golden key that unlocks the door to abundance. It's a powerful force that shifts your focus from lack to plenty, from scarcity to overflowing blessings. When you express genuine appreciation for what you already have, you create a vibrational match for even more abundance to flow into your life. Gratitude is not just a polite gesture. It's a profound recognition of the gifts that surround you, both big and small. It's about acknowledging the beauty of a sunrise, the warmth of a smile, the support of a loved one. When you cultivate a grateful heart, you open yourself to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. Imagine your gratitude as a magnet, drawing towards you all the good things you desire. The more you appreciate what you have, the stronger the magnetic pull becomes. It's like sending a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive even more blessings. While the universe plays a crucial role in the manifestation process, it's important to recall that you are an active participant in your own creation. Taking inspired action is about aligning your physical efforts with your inner desires. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and taking bold steps towards your dreams. Inspired action is not about blindly chasing after your goals. It's about listening to your intuition and following the subtle nudges that guide you along the way. It's about recognizing the opportunities that present themselves and seizing them with courage and conviction. Sometimes, inspired action might mean enrolling in a course, reaching out to a mentor, or starting a new project. Other times, it might be as simple as saying yes to an invitation, or taking a leap of faith into the unknown. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, but it's up to you to take the necessary steps to meet it halfway. By taking inspired action, you demonstrate your commitment to your dreams and open the door for miracles to unfold. Manifestation is not a one-time event or a quick fix. It's a lifelong journey of growth and self-discovery. Like any skill, it requires consistent practice and unwavering dedication. The more you engage with these principles, the more deeply they become ingrained in your being, and the more effortlessly you manifest your desires. Think of it like learning to play an instrument or mastering a new language. At first, it may feel awkward and unfamiliar, but with persistent practice, you gradually develop fluency and grace. The same is true for manifestation. The more you exercise your creative muscles, the stronger and more adept they become. Consistency is not about rigid routines or strict schedules. It's about cultivating a mindful awareness of your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. It's about making conscious choices that align with your desires and taking consistent action towards your goals. The universe responds to your persistent signals. When you consistently focus on your dreams, cultivate a positive mindset, and take inspired action, you create a powerful momentum that propels you towards your desired reality. So, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Trust in the process, remain committed to your practice, and watch as your manifestation abilities blossom and flourish. As we reach the end of this exploration, keep in mind, you are not a passive observer in the grand tapestry of life. You are a weaver of dreams, a sculptor of reality. The power to manifest your deepest desires resides within you, waiting to be unleashed. Step into your power, harness the magic of your mind, and start creating the life you've always envisioned. The canvas is yours, the colors are vibrant, and the possibilities are endless. Believe in yourself, trust in the process, and watch as your dreams take flight. If this journey has resonated with you, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more inspiring content. Let's continue to explore the limitless potential within us and co-create a world of abundance and joy.